Sometimes it's good to organise your life. Organising stuff, minimalising, getting rid of some stuff makes your life easier. So let's see what we can do in this one. Oh my goodness, what a festering mess this place is. I think I need to clean my office up. What a dump. There we go, much better. Cobwebs gone, floor vacuumed, lovely. Replace those curtains and we'll wash the windows. So there we have it. Finally finished, tidied up. Denise got the curtain tape for these curtains for $20. Curtains were free. Just a bit of time to sew them up, clean the windows, vacuum, get rid of the cobwebs, and she's all done. Cheers!